Spray-on technology. Is this the future of sneaker making? What's up everyone, welcome once again to Smart Kicks, and this channel is all about sneakers. You must have come across this interesting video on the internet where a sneaker is being constructed using a robotic spraying gun. And don't worry if this is new to you, because in this video today, I'm going to share all the information about On shoes. What is this brand all about? What is this spray-on technology? How this brand is growing in the current sneaker scenario globally? And where can you buy On shoes in India and at what price? We'll be covering all this topic right after this quick intro. For more than 50 years now, the sneaker market is dominated by Nike, Adidas and Puma. Of late, New Balance too started taking a plunge, but more than that, there is one sneaker brand that is actually impacting and changing this industry, and that's On. Yes, this is the brand logo and it resembles a power on button. I suppose this has something to do with switching something on. Now, On is a Switzerland-based company founded in 2010 by Olivier Bernard, who is a professional Ironman athlete. It's believed that Olivier first approached Nike with his groundbreaking shoemaking concept, but that didn't work out for Nike and him, and that's how he ended up creating his own brand. The aim was to build extremely comfortable running shoe for athletes, and with that single aim, he has built this brand to a total worth of $10 billion in just 10 years. Moreover, the brand is backed by the tennis legend Roger Federer, where Roger is believed to have a 3% share in this company that currently stands at $180 million. Now, coming on to this new sensational spray-on technology that On has come up with. Interestingly, it only takes 6 minutes for a robot arm to build this high-performance running shoe using a spray-on technology that creates the upper vamp of the shoe using a special plastic substance. The spray-on technology was first tried on the Cloudboom Strike LS, a shoe that was first offered in a limited run in April and will be available again very soon for $330. That's roughly 28,000 Indian rupees. In reality, this is not the first time when a 3D printed shoe is being attempted by a brand. In fact, in the past, Nike has done almost the same with Zoom Superfly Elite and Adidas with Futurecraft 4D outsoles. But there's something special about On, that it is being marketed very smartly. It's being promoted and launched at the right time when Paris Olympics has just started off. And without any doubt, an Olympics is the biggest event for any sportswear or a shoe brand to flex their best products. And it's obvious that On has understood and acting on this marketing tactics. At Rio Olympics 2016, On sponsored only about a dozen athletes, improving the count to 20 athletes in Tokyo Olympics, and this time On is backing up 66 athletes in Paris Olympics 2024. Apart from this, last month On announced a partnership with actress and singer Zendaya, and a couple of months back in May, it hired singer-songwriter FKA Twigs to promote its training and gym wear gear. And in addition to all this, the timely release of this smart marathon sneaker made with spray-on tech. On research claims that it took almost 4 years to develop this new manufacturing technology, and they look to reduce 75% of the carbon footprint. The aim is to reduce the reliability of production on Asian countries and disrupt the traditional sneaker manufacturing process. Let's wait for the time to decide that. But if you're fascinated about On shoes and want to give it a try, you can simply walk into limited edition store that's located at Ambience Mall in Gurgaon. You should visit this store. Actually, it's an amazing store, so if you're in Delhi or around, don't miss out on this opportunity. You can simply walk into the store, try these shoes on feet, and if they are comfortable, go for it. And if you want to buy On shoes online in India, you can simply go to Nykaa Fashion official website or www.limitededt.in and seamlessly order your sneakers. Now, the pricing of On shoes roughly starts from 15,000. I'm assuming that as On expands its presence in the Indian market, the prices will stabilize and the accessibility will even get better with more retail stores getting access to these On shoes. I hope this video turned out to be an informative one for you. I keep on dropping such informative videos regularly on YouTube, so please subscribe to the channel if you have not done yet. Your support really means a lot. It just keeps us more engaged and brings us more excitement to bring new content every time. I'm also very active on Instagram. We have grown more than 88,000 followers on Instagram. Here is my profile. Go follow there also. I keep on dropping some short content. हिंदी भाषा में भी मैं बहुत सारा content बनाते रहता हूं, तो अगर आप लोगों को बेसिक बजट वाले शूज या हाइप स्नीकर्स के बारे में हिंदी में इंफॉर्मेशन चाहिए, तो चैनल को चेकआउट जरूर कर लेना. बहुत सारे हिंदी के वीडियोस आपको फायदेमंद जरूर लगेंगे. I promise that. Till my next video, you guys stay fit and keep watching Smart Kicks.